Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a place in Google Maps. Not all places are preloaded on Google Maps, especially new buildings, local spots, or lesser known landmarks. Creating a place ensures accurate directions, enables reviews, and helps friends or customers locate it easily. Whether it's a new office, park, or private site, here's how to create places in Google Maps. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to launch Google Maps and log in. Now on your mobile device, you can use your Google Maps application. You can download it via the Play Store or the App Store, depending on which device you're using. Now if you're using your computer, just go to your web browser and then type in the search bar maps.google.com. Now once the website appears, make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. And now once logged in, the second step is to drop a pin on the location. And to do that, on desktop, right click on the location. For example, I'm gonna choose this location right here. Or if you're using your mobile, long press where you want to add the place. Third step is to select add a missing place. You can do that by clicking the prompt that appears or select it from the menu. Now if you right click on some place, this drop down menu will appear and select add a missing place. You can also do that by clicking on this three horizontal lines right here and then select add a missing place beneath the print option. Now the fourth step is to fill out the information, which like you see here, you have the place name, the category, you can choose whether it's food and drink, shopping, etc. You're gonna have to enter the address and locate the place on the map. You can also add more details like hours and contact information like phone number or websites, and you can also add pictures, uh, which is optional, but it helps a lot. As for the fifth and final step, submit and wait for approval. Google usually takes 1 to 7 days to approve. You will get a notification if it's accepted or needs edits. Creating places on Google Maps is a great way to contribute to your local area or improve the visibility of new or overlooked locations. It's simple, helpful, and beneficial for both individuals and communities. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.